Well, my name's Luthra. Let's see. I'm playing Pyotr Sorin.
I want to offer Kostya an idea for a short story. It should be called The Man Who Wanted. L'homme qui a voulu.
I have been really enjoying rehearsals here. My experience is that the director creates a space for genuine collaboration. He's very much into physical choices. He collaborates genuinely with the actors. He really asks us for ideas, and he even uses them. Sometimes he uses the ideas to catalyze his own. In any case, it's just a wonderful, it creates a great atmosphere. So we're all invested in the play, we're invested in the outcome, we're invested in each other. We open our play on November 8th, and I urge all of you to come see it. You'll see theatre that is, it's out of the ordinary. The actors genuinely interact with both the audience, the set, and each other. It's physical theatre, as well as a theatre centered on words and language. Come see it.